already finished.
Problem in our academic, ACADS, and we also
Group 1, 5 laps. Ready? Okay, let's have Group 2. Who will speak for Group 2? Okay, you. So kindly stay for the topic.
Morning everyone, this is the present of Group 2. Our topic for class today is Happy Day. This is the, ito po yung yung topic po namin is Happy Day. Tapos ito po yung food. Ayun po yung mga memorable po yung food po. Ano po? Kulang daw po sa pagkain. Sa party po.
Ay, masarap na!
At least kulang.
Ay, kulang ano?
Sa party po.
Okay, go, proceed.
Sa party po, ano po, ano po. Ay po, masaya po sila, po, memorable daw po sa kanila. Tapos po, dahil po sa Happy Day, nakapag-party po with friends.
Another.
Ma'am, picture taking po, meron po silang memories. Dahil po, ganun. Ma'am, short time, ma'am, kulang sa oras ng meeting daw. Ma'am, sa dance po, ma'am, yung mga partner.
Okay, that's very good. Now let's give, okay, Group 2, 5 laps. Go. Okay, not because it is memorable, it's always positive. There are times it becomes memorable, it is gave you a little bit of disappointments, but then because of other things stated there, they all become positive. Okay, let's proceed to Group 3. Okay, will be presented by Denden. Okay, Denden. Or Chris, kindly accompany Denden, please. Go. I love all your words. You were able to have this topic. Okay, go. Your topic is, okay, it's good that this is it's good. Okay, go. That's the introduction. Okay, everything? Okay, go.
Looking for a friendly environment so the first integrated national high school is waiting for you. Want to be a teacher, lawyer, police, and etc.? We offer humanities, social, and social sciences. Love to make and organize some events? We offer technical vocational livelihood. Want to be a computer master? We have information communication technology. Want to be an electrical engineer? Come to our electronics branch. So come now as we explore and enhance your skills together with the
Very good. Okay, let's give them. Very good. Okay, so you call this actually, this is just the introduction or known as the thesis statement. What Group 3 did is known as the double lead under the news writing or in any form of writing. You do this with the exclamation point. So this is very comely or very inviting for everyone who will come to the meeting. So very good. Okay, I'm going to give this as an assignment. Okay, kindly take a picture of this. I'm sorry. This was about to be before the actual writing your piece part. So these are, kindly take a picture of this. So we will have to check this, and there is another one. Okay, so kindly identify the following. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, take a picture, and then this is followed by, this is the instruction actually. So identify the type of strategies that we have taken out a while ago for generating ideas or steps in writing process that are being described in the statement. So your specific choices for all of this would be the following. Please write them down. So we have brainstorming. Okay, write them down. Okay, second choice is clustering. And then third choice